Welcome to Seaford Town and welcome to Father Chris Inn's, where German food culture meets Jamaica. Every Saturday he brings up the community of German descendants and Jamaicans for his roast pigs and chickens from the local farm. Seaford Town is inhabited by a mix of black Jamaicans, mixed Jamaicans and white Jamaicans, descendants of German indentured servants who came to Jamaica in 1835 to work at the Jamaican plantations after the emancipation period. The town and nature is beautiful. Old wooden houses, lush farms, beautiful views and kind people. Father Chris gets up 4 a.m. to start the first roast, and every 3 hours he put on a new pig to roast, so he will have fresh food all day long. The first guest arriving already around 10 a.m. We arrived just escaping a heavy rain, had some amazing food, some rum, a couple of games of dominoes and a tour around the property. Make sure to check the next big family event, Crab Fest, the 4th of May, with lots of food like crab, roast pig and chicken and activities for the kids.